Video, I'm going to teach you how to add a name field in WordPress. Whether you're building a contact form or collecting user information, adding a name field is one of the most essential steps for connecting with your audience. Let's walk through the entire process together. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, you're just one step away from accessing your site's dashboard. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click Login. On the login page, you'll see a few sign-in options, including Continue with Google, a super convenient choice if you already use Google regularly. Click it, and if you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one connected to your WordPress website. Choosing the correct account ensures everything loads smoothly and you're editing the right site. After you're logged in, you'll land inside your WordPress dashboard. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a quick links panel. Click Edit Site to open the main site editor. This is where all your customization takes place. Now it's time to add the name field. Move your attention to the upper left corner of the editor and click the Add button. This opens a large library of blocks you can insert into your page. A search bar will appear. Type name field into it. WordPress will show you the specific block you need for collecting a visitor's name. Once you see it, click on it, and the name field will be inserted directly into your page. Place it wherever it makes the most sense, usually above fields like email or message. A clean layout helps your visitors fill out the form easily and comfortably. And that's it. You've successfully added a name field to your WordPress. It's a small but powerful addition that helps you gather essential information and improve the way you interact with your audience. If you found this guide helpful, keep exploring other customization options to make your site truly your own. Thanks for watching and happy editing.